Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here, which I recreated from a photo that I found on Instagram. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, please keep on watching. Today I will be copying a photo I found on Instagram of a makeup look which I thought was absolutely beautiful. So credit to Makeup by Kendra. I found this on the Morphe Brushes Instagram page. This was ages and ages ago. Oh wow, the rubbish truck is just coming and just ruining everything. When you're done, mate. Cheers, catcher. This is what it looks like. So as I said, this is a makeup look by Makeup by Kendra. And I'm going to recreate it today. So as always, I have done my face already. So many interruptions today. My washing machine is apparently possessed and is just going off. I'm gonna go check that. Anyway, so yeah, I've already done my face makeup, and I'm trying out a new foundation because I got my skin tested yesterday. Finally, and after so long thinking that I was actually the colour porcelain, I just spat the colour porcelain, I have actually found out that I'm not. Is this recording? So it's recording. Yeah, after so long of thinking that I was in the shade of porcelain, I then found out yesterday that I am definitely not. So I have two samples of two different Estee Lauder foundations. One is just your normal double wear foundation, and the other one is the double wear Water Fresh foundation, which is their new one, with the SPF, whatever it is. So I had my skin tested and she tried out like 5 different foundations on my skin. Was having a bit of a hard time trying to find the colour, which is standard with me. So yeah, she tried 5 different foundations on me and finally found the right colour, which was sand, which is awesome for me because here I am not looking like a corpse anymore, which is great. So that's what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing both, actually I'm wearing the Water Fresh double wear and just the normal double wear. So far I'm loving it. The coverage is awesome. And it was super easy to put on. Either way, yeah, so actually let's get into the video. And yeah, so back to what I showed you before. We're gonna do that today, and I'm going to be using the Tarte, I don't know if this actually has a name. It's an eyeshadow kit. You get like your, I'll show you that. I got this for Christmas, so I think it's like a limited edition thing during Christmas time. I don't know if they're gonna bring it back or if it was just this Christmas just gone. But that's what it looks like, and then it has the 2 pieces that open up, the 2 side things that open up, and it's got the eyeshadows in the middle, and then you've got contour and bronzer, highlighter and 2 blushes there, and then in here you've got other stuff which I've taken out, which is your eyeliner, a lipstick and a mascara. So, and there's a little mirror there as well. So that's what we're going to be using today, and I'm going to start off with the colour Culture in my crease, which is this one just here. It's really hard to see with that light, that one there. I'm not going to do the exact same eyeshadow look, I'm just going to do like my own version of it. So next colour I will be using Emporium, which is this colour down here. It's like a pinky mauve colour. I think I'm going to go in with a smaller brush though. I'm just going to go in with this Morphe M573, which is like a more fluffier brush. I'm going to put that right where I did it before, but focusing more like in the crease and lower. I'm going to go in with the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay, and I'm going to use this colour here, which is Nuna. And I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to get a more defined outer corner and crease. So I'll be using this brush here, which is the Morphe M506. Okay, so that's that part done. It's a little bit messy at the moment, but I will be cleaning it up. I'm going to put in the tiniest bit of concealer in the front of my eye, just to kind of get rid of that pink there, because it doesn't really have pink in the photo. I'm going to go in with the Essence Camouflage Concealer. I'm just going to dot that in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so you can see how that's kind of lightened up the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to put like a base colour there to just kind of set that. So going in with that smaller brush I was using before, I'm going to go in with the colour Scenic, which is this colour here. So I'm just going to get a small amount of that and put it in the outer corner and just darken up that. Okay, so now that my eyelids are done, I'm going to go underneath. So she's got a blue colour underneath. And the only kind of blue colour I have is from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is obviously those two there. But I'm just going to check if I have any other ones first. Okay, so that blue from the Jaclyn Hill palette was probably perfect, but I kind of want to change it up because I found this blue in the, let's say it right this time, Dare to Create Morphe palette, the 39A palette, which is this one. I found this blue here, that really light blue there, and I kind of thought it was really pretty, so I'm going to use that colour. Okay, so that went everywhere, and I think it looks really good. I like this colour, but I wanted to put like something lighter in the inner corner. So I found this Galaxy Chic palette that one of my friends got me. I'm going to use the colour Electra, which is this one here, and I'm just going to put it, yeah, in my inner corner. I don't know if I like that or if I hate it. I'm just going to leave it for now. I'm going to do mascara and maybe attempt to put fake eyelashes on. We all know how that happened last time. Okay, so mascara is done. Just going to do some highlighter and lipstick, and this look is complete. So I have this highlighter palette, which I got from my friend as well. This is the BYS highlighting palette. That's what it looks like. And I think I'm going to use which is called Glam. And for lipstick, I think I'm going to use the Coco K from the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick. But it looks like it's going to be too dark. I don't know if I like it, so I'm going to put the Too Faced Melted Latex lip gloss on in the colour Hopeless Romantic. They're not really blending together, but I will. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!